Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm here to talk about how to show you how to make seafood chowder. It's not really a Filipino dish, but my sister, she is really good in making this kind of soup. have here a bowl of seafood chowder, and as you can see, I'm using my favorite bowl, black matte bowl, that I got from Thrifties, or those shops that sell secondhand items. It's really good, especially when I take photos. If you visit my Instagram account, which is Aldrin Eats, I took a photo of this actually a while ago, and I think the photo was quite good. So yeah, I have this here. I'm gonna be trying the seafood chowder, and also I have chili flakes here. I love spicy food. I love putting chili flakes on almost all the food that I eat. Sometimes I would make my own chili sauce. It's really quite easy, so I would buy Thai chilies from the grocery and then put it in a blender together with dried cayenne powder and also pepper, and then I'll put some pineapple juice there and apple cider and a little bit of sugar. I would blend it. It tastes really good, so you can try it as well if you want to. It's really good. And I heard that spicy food actually makes you feel happier. There's a scientific evidence or a scientific study about it. Let me check Google, because Google knows everything. Okay, spicy food, happy brain. Okay, so capsaicin is the compound that makes these peppers hot, and it causes our brain to release chemicals that make some people feel buzzed or high. In simple terms, our brain thinks that we are in pain whenever we eat spicy food, and then as a response, it releases endorphins and dopamines. That's why we feel happy when we eat spicy food. So let's try this chili seafood chowder. So my sister put shrimp in it, peas, corn. I think there is. Oh yeah, she put carrots as well, and the leftover fish from our breakfast. It's milkfish, or we call it bangus. Yeah, they're selling bangus here in Canada. It's imported from Sarangani, from the Philippines. Oh, we love it. Let me see if it's really good. Let me first put some chili powder here. And then if you have spring onion, you can also put it on top. You can, and if you think that it's not too salty, you can put some cheese on top as well. So I had that before. There were some cheese downstairs, and I tried it. So actually, this is my second bowl, because I wanted to taste it first before telling you and before sharing it to you guys, and it really tastes good. Okay, so. So you can really taste the seafood. I think that fish in can, and also the leftover fish that we had this morning, I think that's what really gave this the soup that extra fish taste, seafood taste, I would say. It's really good. Thanks guys for watching, and if you are entertained, please subscribe. And if you have Instagram, also you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll follow you back. Just let me know. Tell me that you watched my video on YouTube. I'll follow you back. See ya.